All right, everyone, in this video, we're going to talk about the best SMMA services to offer. Hey everybody, David Schlace back here again with Two Guys Build a Biz on YouTube, the best place on YouTube for anything related to starting, growing, or scaling your business online. If those topics are relevant to you, why not subscribe to the channel and hit bell notifications so that you'll be notified the next time that we post a piece of free, valuable content just like this one. And we do have one request, and that is if you find this video valuable, please hit the like button so that YouTube knows that this was a valuable piece of content. It helps out the channel, and it also helps other agency owners or aspiring entrepreneurs find this content and get the same value from it that you did. So in this video, we're going to talk about the best SMMA services to offer, even if you are a complete beginner. Now, after running our business for 7 years, we tried a lot of different agency models. When we got started, there really wasn't a mentor or anybody showing us all the different ways that you could build an agency. So this really led to us providing all sorts of different services and really not having a set strategy or a set service model. This really impacted our growth for the first year to 18 months. Then we realized that there was ways to be much more efficient in the agency that we were running, and we started rebuilding what we had started. So in this video, we're going to cover what we call the lead generation model, which is by far the most profitable model for beginners. Now, we have done the math on this extensively, and while there are other agency models out there like e-commerce agencies or these days Instagram Reel and TikTok agencies, the cost per hour for the average lead gen agency owner will be significantly higher than those models. We find that you're able to work with a lot of different clients with this model and charge them a solid monthly rate. This means that your level of effort is low, your efficiency is high, and your earnings are top notch. I would even venture to say that actually picking the right type of model for your agency can be far more important than even picking the right niche. So let's go ahead and talk about why the lead generation model is the best for the new agency owner. So the lead generation model really just boils down to 3 different services. The first one is going to be paid advertising or paid ads on the front end, okay? We're going to take that into a funnel. So building that funnel, which is easily done with one-click install funnels, and I'll actually provide a couple of those for you in the video description, is incredibly easy, and it's as easily as clicking one time and installing it into Go High Level or ClickFunnels. You might make a couple adjustments, obviously, to adjust it to their brand and their colors and the strategy, but it's a very simple way, but a very high value service. Websites are tough to build, and most business owners don't realize that they can quickly and easily stand up a funnel that allows them to run all sorts of split tests and optimize their efforts for a very low cost. That's where we come in as agency owners. And finally, on the back end of that funnel, we're going to have email marketing, and if you want, text message marketing. Text message marketing is definitely not essential for most businesses, but it can be a nice way to increase conversion. So let's look at how these are actually structured together. It's actually very simple. So on the front end, we will have our ad. That ad will direct traffic off of Facebook or Instagram or Google or wherever it is that you're running ads, and that will take it to a funnel or a lead cap. We've all seen this if you've ever gotten a 10% off coupon, if you've ever gotten a BOGO deal, exchange your email address or your contact information for any sort of offer. That's exactly what we'll be putting on this funnel. And then on the back end of that funnel, we of course want to fulfill on what we promised them, and we will normally do that via email or text. And that's really all that there is to it. This means that our ads are very simple, they are very rudimentary, and they're very repeatable. Our funnels are very easy to stand up, they're very simple. All it is a lead capture. We don't need to build a 50-page website. And our emails are very simple as well. Typically, the sequence will be about 5 emails long. The first one will fulfill on what we promised, and then the rest will remind them to take action on what we gave them. And to set this up, we have clients paying us anywhere from around $4,000 per month to around $15,000 per month. There's a common misconception when it comes to running an agency that hard equals more value. Because we've productized this to the point that it's very simple and easy to stand up, we actually end up getting clients paying us a lot more every month because they believe in the process and that it's been proven to work. The clients actually feel like they're buying more of a product than just guessing at a strategy. And this is a challenge that we see a lot of agency owners face, where they feel like they have to come up with a custom plan for every single client. Instead, with the lead gen method, we can use the same strategy for almost every niche and every client that we work with. This makes it easy for us to make crazy revenue with our business while also building a team that can follow the simple process. It makes our business more scalable, and it makes us a lot more money over time. If you're looking for in-depth training on how to provide all of these services, there's a ton of useful videos on this YouTube channel, so I'd encourage you to subscribe. Or if you're looking for a little bit more help help and a distilled direction and action plan on how to get your agency started and provide amazing services that keep. We'll link to the SMMA Blueprint, our top-rated course on starting, growing, scaling your agency in the description down below. So if you found this useful at all, we'd appreciate it if you hit the like button, but that's all for today. Again, if you haven't, make sure to subscribe to the channel and tap bell notifications to be alerted the next time that we post a video just like this one. We'll see you in the next video.